Kids Stream is now back every Friday at 6:30 and Sunday at 10 a.m. with a brand new look and a brand new theme. So kids, why not join us for some fun, some games and great lessons from the Bible.
It's higher than the heavens, your love reaches out to me.
Our next Leadership Development Night is going to be happening on the last Wednesday in September, and we're going to be joined by Pastor David Lawrence. So why not sign up today to get the link?
Opens up my eyes, caught up in your overwhelming grace.
It's that time of the year again. A new adventure into the scriptures through Next Level. We're still unable at present to assemble together, and so we intend to continue on Zoom until the church is available. Thank you. The majority have been faithful during COVID, and we look forward to the new term starting September the 12th, 10 till 11. The two subjects that we've chosen are these. First of all, God's masterpiece, a look at the book of Romans, considered by many as the greatest of Paul's writings. And the second is the church through the ages, a look at the evolving church and how truth transformed its impact. Let me explain, it's not a history lesson, but it's lessons, spiritual lessons from history. With the new studio in the church, I believe the sessions will be more professional and dynamic, still with time for discussion. So, what do you need to do? Well, sign up this week. Commit yourself to 1 hour every second and fourth Saturday of the month. I look forward to your company.
We're excited to announce we have a mini devoted conference happening on Saturday the 17th of October from 10 a.m. till 11 a.m. So the theme is Hidden Heroes, where we'll be looking at women in the Bible that we read little about but that made big impact. So why not join us online? See you there.
Empowers me to live, releases me from sin.
Remember, you can now book in online to join us in person at Excel Church for our short Sunday evening services. So you can book each week from 8 p.m. for the following week, but places are limited, so get in fast. You can head to Church Suite or get us at excelchurch.org.uk/Sunday services.
Your love has set me free, and now I'll be alive. Nothing in this world can separate us.
So that's all for Excel News. If you'd like any more information, get us on social media or head to our website excelchurch.org.uk. Have a great week, guys.